So guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is a continuing episode to the last one that we did on the gimbal, on the Zhiyun Weebill S. Now I didn't want to make the other video really long, that's why I had to cut it short, but surely there's a lot more about this gimbal, and I want to go a bit deep into what this bad boy can do. I'm going to show you a few some of the mods that it has and how you can actually use them to get amazing footage. So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so now this gimbal here has quite a number of mods. I think it's got about 5 mods that will give you a different element to this gimbal. So the first one and the most common is the pan follow, which is the PF. I think on the other brands like the Ronin, it's called it's also the pan follow. So the pan follow, basically what it does, it will allow the gimbal to stay stable in one direction, and you're able to pan. If you see how I'm turning my hand, it means you're able to pan and follow. So by following, if wherever I take the gimbal, it will follow. But basically on this what's the word, like it won't tilt up or tilt down, but it will follow, stay on the pan axis, panning and following. That is basically what it will do. So even if I lower the camera like this, it will keep pointing forward, and if I pan like this, it can turn, as you can see. So this is the most common mod, and it's really easy, and anyone, even if you're just using the gimbal for the first time, surely you can do it. So let me just show you guys how this is going to work. I'm going to use this VKC, please come. VKC here is going to be our model for this. So I'm going to just walk straight to her. I'm doing a short while walking straight to her with the pan follow. Okay. Now you guys, you need to notice how I walk. If you want to get very good, if you want to get smooth footage with this gimbal, you can't just walk like you normally walk, because there you're going to have shake, and you will notice there's bumps of the up and down kind of, so you need to walk, they call it the ninja walk. You basically want to walk as if you're sneaking into like somewhere. That is a kind of walk. So the pan follow mode is basically going to follow someone. So VKC, let's try to move in a circle. Just walk in a circle as I follow you, so that you can see how the pan follow works. So I am following her, but I'm at the same time panning. And that's how we are able to get this kind of movement. Yeah. All right, you can stop. So guys, that is the pan follow. If you shoot weddings, if you shoot documentaries, you're going to find yourself using pan follow for the most part, because it's easy. Now I want to show you another mode, and this mode is called POV. Now the POV is means point of view, and what point of view does, it basically, the gimbal is going to turn, it's just going to be free and falling wherever you want it to fall. All the axes are active. Are you seeing that? When I face down, it faces down. When I turn here, so it is really free, as you can see. Yeah. Now this mode is going to work if you're maybe trying to you're doing, maybe someone is running and you just want to get a fluid kind of shot that is not limited, as you can see. This can also be good if you're maybe shooting decoration, where you just want that smooth kind of flow into things. Yeah, that is why. So that is what the point of view does. Let's do a shot with VKC again. Go. All right guys, yeah, so that is the pan follow, that is the point of view mode. I don't use this mode quite a lot because for the kind of work I do most of the time, I don't really find it that interesting for the kind of work I do, but it's also a good mode to have in case you need to, you know, be creative. It's more a creative, the same way you would have handheld. In fact, if you want to have a handheld kind of you know, vibe, then point of view is also good because it is a natural flow, ideally, of your hand. So point of view can work if you want to have a handheld kind of arrangement. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you another mode, and this mode is the lock mode. Yeah, that one you just turn a switch into lock. Now what lock does is it will lock ideally all the axes to point just one direction, and it doesn't matter where you turn your gimbal to, lock will be focused in one location. Yeah, let's take an example. VKC, I want you to stand right in front of the camera here. Okay, now as you can see, VKC is in the center. Yeah, Joel, I hope you're getting a full shot. So this gimbal, even if I put it, this is by the way called the underslang mode. Yeah, you can see the camera is still in the same position. Yeah, even if I turn the gimbal this way, the camera is still in the same position. Even if I walk this way, the camera is still in the same position. Basically, it stays in one location. Now, this mode is good if you want to shoot straight things, like you want to shoot something in a straight line. For example, even if I turned a little bit like this, yeah, the camera will still stay in a straight line. So that's the beauty with this mode, the lock. I also don't use this as often, but I know in situations where I need to shoot something in a straight line, I can actually use the lock mode. Yeah. Okay, and then the other mode that I would like to show you guys is the Go mode. Now the Go mode is used for action, maybe sports or movies, you know, like a fighting scene. So VKC, we are going to try out something. You're going to box in the air. I'm going to show you guys like a fighting scene, what a fighting scene could be, and how the Go. Now, how you use the Go mode, you simply long press or actually hold the FN button here. Can you show them? There's a function button, FN button here. When you hold it, when you keep holding it, then the camera is in Go mode. Yeah. Okay. So you're going to be boxing. Assume this is your. So you're going to. Okay. So this is the Go mode now. Okay guys, yeah, so you can see the Go mode is more used in sports, in action, in fight scenes. Ideally, the Go mode, what it does, it depicts handheld, the way you would use your camera handheld and you're trying to do all these maneuvers. So that is exactly what the Go mode does. And maybe the other thing I need to mention, there's this button here. This is the trigger. This trigger button will help your camera to go back to the normal position. This is ideally the best position your camera should be in. So in case I've used the joystick here to tilt up the camera, and by the way, I think I will also do another video to show even some more of these settings. But this joystick here, for example, if you're in pan follow mode, the normal mode, you can as well tilt up or tilt down. Yeah. So in case I have tilted down, for example, and I want to go back to the normal mode, instead of tilting up, I can just double tap twice, 1, 2, and the gimbal will go back to the normal level or the default setting. Yeah. I'll also want to show you, you can tap this trigger 3 times and then your gimbal will turn into selfie mode. 1, 2, 3. So here you can do a selfie video, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is it. Now if you want to take it back, you still tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and it will go back to face the front. So yeah, what else can I say about this gimbal? It's going to last you pretty much the whole day. If you shoot things like weddings, this gimbal is going to shoot the whole day, and you'll even still have battery. So that is how good this gimbal is. There's deeper functions to it, on, for example, how fast you want the motors to turn. If you want to tilt, for example, yeah, you can have a setting on how fast these motors can turn. That's deep inside here. I think I'll go in depth on that. But as per the mods are concerned, guys, this is how the mods work. Oh, I missed out just one mod. The other one is the Vortex. Now the Vortex mode, you get it by double pressing POV, point of view. When you double press it, it goes into the Vortex. And let me show you exactly how the Vortex works. So with the Vortex, you just move your joystick to the right or the left where you want to turn, and the camera will begin rolling. Yeah, so if you want that cinematic kind of 360 view, 360 rotation, yeah, that is done by the Vortex or the V mode. Yeah. I have just one more amazing feature to show you guys about this gimbal. Now, this may not be used that much, but it's just cool to have, and I'm glad that these guys added it. So yeah, this gimbal can be controlled with your smartphone. Yeah, you can literally control it without touching it, if it's on a stand or seated somewhere on a table. Yeah, so check this out, guys. Right, yeah. So you can see I can turn off that sync mode and rather just like use these others to control the rolling, yeah, or the tilt up, tilt down, and you can see it can give you something really smooth, which is I think something amazing that you can have. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so guys, that is it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.